Welcome to Cloud 3D Print. In this tutorial, we will show you how to set up a 3D printer and material profile for slicing. To create a new 3D printer profile, go to the 3D Printers Profile section and search for your 3D printer in our database by selecting the brand and model. You can view the 3D printer settings, printhead settings, and G-code settings. While you can edit all the settings, we strongly recommend against doing so. If your 3D printer model is not in our database, you can add a customized 3D printer profile and edit it as needed. Once you have created a new 3D printer profile, you can click the Delete, Edit, or Copy button to manage it. Similarly, you can search for materials in our database by selecting the category and subcategory in the Material Profile section. Once selected, you can view the material settings, including temperature and physical properties. If your material is not in our database, you can add a customized material category and edit it as needed. Once you have created a new material, you can click the Edit or Delete button to manage it. That's all for this tutorial. See you next time.